step into the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: black houndstooth cloth sport seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, quick order package 21A SXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, black top package included, leather performance steering wheel Rumby 2 PC wheel center cap Challenger black top grille badge rear black spoiler Firestone brand tires black grille with bezel wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted gloss black IP cluster trim rings black fuel filler door wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, white knuckle clear coat, tires, P.